Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will discuss about another type of machine learning, that is reinforcement machine learning. In reinforcement learning, the computer learns by interacting with an environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. So how it works? The computer makes decision, and after each decision, it gets feedback like points or a score that helps it learn which actions lead to better results. For example, thinking of a robot learning to play a game. The robot tries different moves, and depending on whether it wins or loses, it learns which moves are good or bad for the next round. So here we have another example. So you can see first we have given some input to the computer, and your computer has responded that it's a mango, but it has got a feedback that wrong, it's an apple. So here your computer is learning by the feedback. So the feedback is wrong. So it has noted the feedback and learned from their experience that this input or this figure is an apple. Next time, if the same input or same kind of input comes to the computer has already learned this figure. So it will respond you that it's an apple. So this kind of learning is known as reinforcement machine learning. Let me give you a few more examples like game playing, chess, video games. So they are the example of reinforcement machine learning, stock market, trading bots, robot controls in warehouses. So these are the examples of reinforcement machine learning. So that's all. We'll see in the next lecture.